Hi everyone, and today I'm just going to talk about the pronunciation of S. S. Keep in mind this is for 2 points. Number 1, it's for plural nouns, regular plural nouns, and number 2, it's for the third person final S at the end of regular verbs. And so there are 3 ways to pronounce the S. There is, S, and Z. It might not seem that makes a big difference. Between S and Z, it's true there is not maybe that much difference, but definitely between is, there is. And that also adds another syllable to the word. So let's look at this more closely. If the word ends in a consonant sibilant sound, and keep in mind I'm saying sound because a word like balance actually ends in an E. However, when I say it, I hear the sound S. That is the sound we're looking for. That's what we call a sibilant. A sibilant is any sound that is hissing or buzzing. For example, S, X, Z, Ch, Sh, J, or J. So in all of these cases, we are going to add the is to the end of this word. For example, balances, campuses, guesses, boxes, buzzes, dispatches, demolishes, changes. And next, these are the words that the final consonant is voiceless. And you might wonder, what's a voiceless sound? A voiceless sound means that we do not use the vocal cords, and so no sound emerges. If you put your hand on your throat here, you will not feel any vibration when you pronounce these sounds. For example, p, k, t, f, th. For all of those sounds, I can't feel a vibration under my hand, and it's just air coming out of my mouth. For these sounds, we will just add an S. For example, backups, locks, drafts, beliefs, graphs, months. Finally, these are for all the rest of the sounds, and these sounds are what we call voiced sounds. And a voiced sound means that we do use our vocal cords, and it produces a humming sound in the throat. So if I put my hand here, I can feel a vibration when I make the sound B, D, G, L, M, N, Ng, R, V, and Y. And this, we're going to add the Z sound at the end. For example, hubs, awards, cogs, deals, stems, plans, belongs, buyers, proves, ways. And that's it. I hope you got it, and keep practicing. Bye for now.